dda I chi gyd. Diolch am wrando. Good evening to you all. Thanks for listening. Cor Ffermwyr Hawkstone I berfformio on Sioe Frenhinol Cymru. Hawkstone Farmers Choir to perform at the Royal Welsh Show. Cyfres pedwar, pennod chant a chwech ar hugain. Series 4, episode 326. Noswaith, in the office. So we've had in the chapel and in the kitchen and all that. In the office. Heddiw, o dydd Mawrth. Today is Tuesday. Yr 15 ar 15 o Fehefin, 2026. The 16th of June, 2026. Ac mae hi'n pedwar munud ar hugain I 11 o hwyr. And it is 24 minutes to 11 p.m. Or in the south, ac mae hi'n bedair munud ar hugain I 11 o hwyr. It is 24 minutes to 11 in the evening p.m. Today's words are related to in the office. And we've got dydd Mawrth, Tuesday, up there in different languages, top of the web lesson. These are the words for today, all related to things in the office. All similar. Desk with a G, D-E-S-G, desk is desk in English, with a K. Adran, department, division. Post is post or mail. Swyddfa is a job. Or office or post as in position, that kind of thing. Ystafell, or it could be a county in England as well. Ystafell, a room, chamber, accommodation. Lle is place, is a place or where in Northern colloquial. Like ble, it's lle. Gwaith is work, job, task. Adre, home or homewards. Adre with an F, making the V sound, but often don't pronounce it. Adre. Business is business, firm, concern. Cwmni is company. Asiantaeth. Asiantaeth. Agency. Corff is the human body, but it's also bodies in a sort of governing body, an association, society. Staff is staff in English as well. Role, R with an O with a roof over it and an L. R-O-L, role. Is role, with an L, R-O-L-E in English. Your position, your job. Bureau is a bureau. Swyddfa, office. Awdurdod, authoritativeness or authority. Gweinyddiaeth, administration, management, ministry. Pencadlys, headquarters. Swyddogol, official. Cubicle, it's a cubicle. Labordy, laboratory. Rheolwr, manager or ruler. Rheolwr. Adeilad, building or premises. Adeilad. Llywodraeth, no, sorry, not Llywodraeth. Llywoddiaeth. Presidency. Llywoddiaeth. Feminine, that one, because it ends in aeth. The only rule breakers I've come across so far are gwahaniaeth, gwasanaeth, and hiraeth. So we heard one not long ago, that was feminine as well. Gweinyddiaeth and Swyddfa ends in FA, that's feminine. Ysgrifennydd, secretary. Ysgrifennyddol, secretarial. Bwrdd gwaith, desktop. gweithfan workstation, gweithfan cyfrifiadur, computer workstation, neges e-bost, email, fax, F-A-C-S, is fax in English, like in fax machine, F-A-X, fax, switchboard, switchboard, llun copiwr, photocopier, llun copiwr, photocopier. Oh, come back, words. Pressed the wrong button, it disappeared. Excuse me. Scanner, argraffydd, printer. What we got now? There's no sentences today. We got the news. Carcharu, gyrwr am achosi marwolaeth. Dynes a oedd yn cerdded yw eglwys. Driver jail for causing death of woman walking to her church. Cynnal pleidlais gydd I ethol esgob newydd Bangor. Secret ballot held to elect a new bishop of Bangor. Cynnal cynhadledd I gefnogi'r sector 2 wrth iddynt ddod o dan safonau'r Gymraeg. Conference held to support the housing sector as they come under Welsh language standards. Tîmau Cymru I ddarganfod eu gwrthwynebwyr yn Ewrop. Welsh teams to discover their opponents in Europe. Diswyddo, cynreolwr Caerdydd wedi un gêm yn unig o gwpan y byd. Former Cardiff manager sacked after just one World Cup game. And then Mark has told me there was no songs today. He had to go on the drums and the bass. Nothing gelled. But he's written some words. Dwi ddim yn berffaith, ond dwi'n rhedeg y sioe. I'm not perfect, but I run the show. Nid fy mamiaeth ac ro'n i'n sound ddoe. Not my mother tongue, and I was stuck yesterday. Darllen a sgwennu, gwrando siarad, reading and writing, listening and speaking. Chwerthin I gwenu, bob amser yn barod. Laughing and smiling, always ready. That's one little piece. And then we've got another little piece that I use as an answer to a comment that someone put. So if you comment on anywhere on my stuff, on the forum or wherever, on the social media, what should we call this? I'm going to answer to most of the comments with something poetic to improve my writing skills. And now, here's the other poem that Mark has written. It's not me, it's Mark. Ewch amdani, ond sut dwi'n sgwennu. Go for it, but how do I write? Un ateb barddonol ac ateb digonol. One poetic answer and an adequate answer. I ymateb i'r barddonnes. A hefyd im hawres. To respond to the bard and also to my heroine. So that's it for today, and I'll catch you tomorrow, hopefully, unless I skip one tomorrow, because I've got a lot of stuff on tomorrow, but I'll do my best to fit one in. Ta-ra.